Unlock the power of seamless contract management and signing with Dochub. Let's dive into how Dochub can revolutionize your legal documentation process first. We'll focus on creating your contracts from Dochub's dashboard. Navigate to the Create or New Document option. You can upload an existing template as a PDF or Word document, or start fresh with a blank canvas if you're uploading. Dochub makes it incredibly easy. Simply drag and drop your file, or browse your computer for the document. Once your document is loaded, Dochub's intuitive editor allows you to add crucial fields for your contracts. Click on the Add Field button. You'll find options for text fields, checkboxes, signatures, dates, and more. Drag and drop these fields precisely where you need them on your document. For example, drag a signature field to the signing line, a text field for recipient names, and a date field for execution dates. This ensures all necessary information can be captured accurately. Now, let's talk about sending your contract for signing after you've finalized your document. Click the Send for Signature button. You can add recipients, specify their signing order if needed, and even add a personalized message. Dochub handles the secure delivery of your contract to each signer. For your signers, Dochub provides a simple and secure signing experience. They'll receive an email with a link to your document. They can easily review the contract and electronically sign directly within the platform. No additional software is required for them, making the process smooth for everyone involved. Once signed, both you and your recipients will receive a fully executed, legally binding copy of the contract. All your signed documents are securely stored within Dochub, accessible anytime. Anywhere. You can organize them into folders, search for specific contracts, and maintain a clear audit trail of all activities. Dochub offers a comprehensive solution for managing your legal contracts efficiently and securely, from creation to signing and storage. You can streamline your entire workflow. Get started with Dochub today and experience the future of contract management.